Hello, this is Father Jamie. I hope y'all are having a lovely day. I just wanted to take a moment to reflect on a couple of things. Over the weekend, unfortunately, my big ears were within range to hear something very awful. I heard someone's grief. I heard what I found out later was someone who had just discovered a loved one who had taken their own life. I hope none of you have to hear something that horrendous as someone finding someone like that, and the lament and the hurt that I heard. It replayed in my head over and over again, and continues to over the last day and a half. And I just want to say this: if you're someone who is suffering, thinking about taking your life, think about what that does to those you leave behind. If you don't feel safe, if you're struggling, ask for help. Say something. We're all in this together. Life is not easy. There's going to be times when we feel bad, but we have the power and the ability to choose to be positive and to move forward despite how bad things may feel. And I want us to think about our mortality a little bit. And when someone tells you to be careful, whether it be going on a journey or whatever it is, take that seriously. I told a friend recently, be careful on your trip. I don't want to be that person that I heard on Sunday who found their loved one dead. I don't want to be that person. That's just, it makes me go to all pieces thinking about it. We need to take life seriously. It's precious. It's a gift. And it's not something that you just throw away or take lightly. May we rely on the peace of God to get us through our difficult times, and may we rely on each other. We can't do it alone. Let's hang in there together, brothers and sisters. It will be okay. God bless you.